Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Smiry Ergonomic Office Chair Armrest Pads. There are features include thick memory foam. Instantly upgrade hard plastic armrests with our high-density rebound foam. These office chair arm covers contour perfectly to your elbows and forearms, providing cloud-like support that effectively relieves pressure and pain during long work days. Secure non-slip fit. Enjoy uninterrupted comfort without constant adjustments. These office chair arm pads feature an upgraded double fixation design with adjustable buckles, sturdy hook and loop tape, and a non-slip bottom to keep them firmly anchored in place. Premium velvet fabric. Enjoy a luxurious touch with our high-quality velvet finish designed for year-round comfort. This armrest pillow offers a soft, skin-friendly surface that feels cozy without being stuffy, eliminating the discomfort of resting arms on hard, cold, or sticky plastic chair parts. Universal fit. Designed for versatility, the long adjustable straps ensure a snug fit. Measuring 10.04 x 3.35 x 1.34 inch, this 2-pack is perfect for armrests 3 to 4.5 inches wide. Whether you need chair armrest pads for office task chairs, gaming chairs, or wheelchairs, they install in seconds without sagging or bunching up. Washable and easy care. Built for daily use, these ergonomic office chair armrest covers feature a hidden zipper for easy removal. Simply unzip and toss the covers in the washing machine to keep your setup fresh, clean, and looking brand new. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.